Eto na. 460. Bigay natin. Regalo natin to kay Miss. Regalo natin to kay Mrs. Valentine's. Kasi hirap siya na mag-shift. So, I found a solution. Palitan na lang natin para po shifting na lang siya. Tapos pag mahirap, since it's 40-60, kaya na ahunan. So, let's do it! First, kuha tayo ng tools sa kailangan. So, dito siya. Ready na. Para tanggalin ang cogs, ito yung gagamitin natin. Tapos, special tool yan, like yung ito, para dito yan. Okay? Tapos, kailangan din natin ng chain cutter. Andito siya. I-assemble na lang natin mamaya. Okay? Pero, halika. Bakit nga ba papalitan siya na maging 1/9 instead of 3/9? So, nasa ratio lang yun. Kung gusto nyo talagang nahihirapan kayo, it's preference of the rider. So, there's nothing wrong kung mag-cross-chain siya. Hindi naman i-design yan kung hindi ko pwede, di ba? So, first gagawin natin, di-dismantle natin to, tapos check na lang natin adjust. Tapos ano kailangan pagka nagmalaki tayo ng cogs? Kailangan natin ng opening kasi hindi siya designed for bigger cogs. Sa 3/9. So, first, pagka nag 1/by ka, mawawala sa yung shifter. So, 530 grams siya. Ay, I'm sorry. It's, ba't ganito? So, ito yung, pag nakasetup ka ng 3/9 or 3/by, pag nag 1/by ka, ito ang mawawalang weight. So, start with the FD. It's 149 grams. And yung shifter, left shifter, 136. So almost 300 grams. Ay, mag-stop. Also, ang nawala rin yung ating chain ring. So, ito yung chain ring ng Diore at saka yung second chain ring niya. Although aluminum yung isa nasa ibabaw, also yung pangalawa naman is bakal. So let's find out. So it's 232 grams. Also, let's see lang yung Johnny halos kasi yung bigat lang naman siya nung pinalit natin. So it's about 34 grams, 35 grams. Yeah. Okay. So disregard natin yan. So let's check it again. 233 grams din siya. Sana lumana. Hindi naman pala masyadong malayo yung nilayo. Ito pag nag-fail ka, kakayo. Okay, paano natin palitan? Of course, we need to remove the wheels. Paano yan? Tatanggalin muna natin ang chain. Now, titingnan nyo, hanapin yung mga chain kung meron siyang missing link. So, yung missing link, instead of using the chain cutter, we can use the pliers na lang para matanggal siya. Usually, ganito ang tsura niya. So, you have to look for it. Ito. Going around. Ito siya. Okay? Para madaling matanggal yan, first, tanggalin mo na lang din muna dito sa chain niya. Madali naman siya. Lalagay mo sa chain ring para madali mo siyang control. So, kung nakita mo na siya, saan na siya? Yung missing link, gagamit ka lang ng plug. Sana lumana. Hindi naman pala masyadong malayo yung nilayo. Ito, pag nag-fail ka, kakayo. Ngayon, kakabit naman natin itong boot na. So, ito siya. So, tanggal muna natin RD, then put this on, tapos saan natin. So, essentially, ang gagawin niya, extend niya yung reach niya para maabot niya yung malaking cogs. Okay? First, tanggalin muna natin. And there is a possibility na kailangan palitan din yung cable kasi hahaba yung lalayo siya from here to there. So, try muna natin na hindi. Sayang effort pagka pinalitan natin agad, diba? Hindi naman pala masyadong malayo yung nilalayo. Eto, pag nag-fail na. So, i-route na natin yung chain. Here. Ito yung challenging dito kasi hindi pwedeng hindi maging madumi yung kamay mo while you do this. Okay? You can either put the chain back bago mo siya ikabit, or ito. But, ito na lang. So, balik natin si missing link. Parang hindi na siya missing. Pag babalik na ito, hand tighten lang or just pull it from each other para mag-lock siya. Tulad niya, nahuyo. Okay. Yun, lock na siya. So, eto na. We'll find out. Pero, most likely, i-tutun natin siya. Tutunan natin. So, medyo maluwag. Ayusin natin by the use of a screwdriver para tune siya. PPF. Yung pinaka 11 feet na medyo pupunta na sa the gear next to it. Buti na lang nakita natin kasi hindi pala masyadong maayos yung pagbalik natin ng cog. So, we have to pull it out again. Okay. So, ayan, nakabit na natin. So, ang kailangan lang natin i-adjust dyan are these points. So, meaning, etong isang to for the height between here and these cogs. So, if we adjust it, makita nyo, lalayo siya or lalapit. So, kanina, in-adjust ko na siya from yung maximum clearance na pupunta rito and going to the bigger teeth. As you can see, okay na yung kanyang pagkatono. Medyo okay na siya mag-shift. Or there are times na medyo sumasabit. Pero fine-tuning na lang yan. Kasi all we have to do is just, make it like, for example, ito. More on sa cable na yan. So, we can adjust it here. I'll show you dito banda. You can just turn this para yung tension ng cable either humigpit siya or lumuwag ng konti. Okay, so you can see, okay na siya. Lumilipat siya. So it's more on fine-tuning. Okay, madadalian na siya na mag-bike ngayon kasi all he has to worry about is changing the gears here. Hindi dito sa FD katulad ng isa doon na issue on the cross-training. It's just a matter of making it simpler. And always remember, dapat naka-narrow wide tayo sa harap para hindi tayo matanggal yung chain as we ride through especially like yung trail, which is maraming bumpy roads or mga potholes, may tendency matatanggal yung chain natin dun sa crank, which is mahirap, delikado. Okay, so for now, I hope you... So ayan, tapos na ang pag-setup ng 1x9. So babalikan lang natin what we accomplished. So, by doing that, we have pros and cons. Let's start with the cons. Number one, yung cons, yung 3x9 is like 27 speed. So, with that, mababawasan ka ng choices, especially yung sa dulo. So, since yung bike naman niya is not intended for racing, so we chose to have it na lang na 1x9. Now, second would be, yung cons niya, since it's an aftermarket brand, hindi na talaga siya 100% as accurate as before. Kasi Shimano to Shimano. Plus the fact na mas lumaki yung radius nung biggest cog, which is 46, coming from 32. Okay, now we're going to the pros. So number one, it's simpler. Plus the fact na nabawasan siya ng mga parts. So meaning, mababawasan ng weight. So that would be, number one, nawala yung shifter, left shifter, tapos yung FD, and the two chain ring, which is the granny and the second one. However, lumaki yung cog sa likod, although we computed na we lost like something about 300 grams. So, in total, nabawasan siya ng mga 300 grams, which is about almost half kilo. Maganda na rin yun, at least gumaang siya. And yun, so with regards kung babalikan mo na nasana yung 3x9, so it's simpler. Instead of 3x9, you have to mix it, or you opt for the bigger chain ring sa harap, the smaller one, mawawalan ka ng dulo. It's okay kasi yung bike naman is meant for for leisure lang. So ayun, so we're ending this video na. Okay, so please try to subscribe if you want to check on the next video that we're going to do in the future. Plus the any updates, please try to put in yung mga comments nyo or suggestions so we can check it and take it in consideration na gawa tayo ng mga future videos based from your suggestion. Okay, so by ending this video, lagi natin tatandaan, pag mataas ang ahon, laging saging ang bahon. Bye!